So hello guys, we're going back to our camp. I'm walking, I'm so tired. Ano ba yan? Wait, punta pa kami kay Nacela. Say hi, Lor.
What's your guilty pleasure?
Guilty what? Say hi.
Hi.
Christian, Julie. Me first? Okay, wait. Oh my god. Okay, bye-bye. I'll video na lang later. Oh my god, she's peeing? Julie is umiihi. Wait, wait. Uy!
Bastos ako pod. Dulit ni Jang.
I'm the only one who's not peeing. Oh my god.
I'm not peeing. I'm not peeing.
No, you are, Christian.
I'm not.
Ako, I'm just resting.
Yan.
No, you are peeing.
I'm just resting.
You're done peeing?
Yes.
And you? Oh my god, currently peeing. These girls are gross. And I'm holding Christian's camera.
I think no, I'm not.
Oh, you are. Okay, I'll hand it to you. You hold it. Oh my god, this is really scary. Because you have to be careful. Wait. Oh my god! Hinay lang. Nakabisaya na lang ko, leche mo. English pa ko. Aray. Okay, sige na, bye-bye na.